Jaynae Gordon, and welcome back to my educational channel.
Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Good night, good night, good night. If you are hearing us, type in the that you are hearing us. If you are hearing us, let us know. Type a message so we know that you are hearing us. We are unable to see our chat. Are you hearing us? All right, let's see what's going on. Hello? Are you hearing us?
Hello? Are you hearing us?
Are you hearing us?
Type, I'm hearing you if you're hearing us.
All right, let me ask them a question. Are you hearing us? Please let us know. We're not hearing any answer. We are not hearing anybody replying. We're not seeing our chat. We're not sure what is going on. Nevertheless, we are not seeing anything. We are not seeing anything. So we're not sure what is going on. So please, we are going to start. We're going to start. We're not sure what is going on. Give us 1 minute, please. Give us 1 minute. How are you doing? How are you doing? Please let us know. How are you doing tonight? We are unable to hear you guys. We are unable to hear from you because we don't know what is going on with the devices. We're seeing persons online. We're unable to see the chat. I'm not sure what is going on. Let me send you a message and see if I will see it. Are you? Are you hearing us? Okay. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. Just give us 1 minute, please. Let us fix something. We're not sure what is going on right here, but just give us 1 minute so we can fix something. You guys are awesome. You guys are doing fantastic. We're happy that you are here with us. Mega love shout out to you all, to all the persons that are here with us now. We're happy. We're so happy to have you guys. All right, just give us 1 minute. 1 minute. We're having some issue right here.
1 minute, please.
We're trying to fix it. We're trying to fix the problem that we're having. Just give us 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Because we're not seeing the chat. We can't read anything. So please give us 1 minute. We're trying to fix something. There's one thing left for us to try to fix. Just give us 1 minute. Just 1 minute. You guys are awesome. Thank you so very much for waiting. And that is the reason for us to be starting so late. From yesterday, we don't know what is going on. We don't know what is going on. So yesterday we had the same problem. Today is the same thing again. So we're working.
We might have it ready.
We're working to get it fixed. But we just need the device to open. Just 1 minute, please. Thank you guys for waiting. You guys are fantastic. You're doing a great job right there. So today we are going to be doing, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be rounding off numbers. We're going to be rounding off numbers. But there is a problem that we're trying to fix because we are unable to see the chat. So just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, please. There's something that we need to fix right here. Just give us 1 minute to do so. Thank you so very much. Let me see, let me see. I'm not seeing anybody typing in the chat. All right, so I need to go to my studio to see something. You guys are fantastic. So let us give some shout out to the persons who are in the chat waiting on us. Let us do some shout out to the persons that are here in the meantime as I try to get this fixed. All right. So guys, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. We're trying to fix a problem we're having right here. Just 1 minute, please. We're happy that you guys are still here with us. We're super, super happy that you are here with us. This device is moving so slow. I just need to go into my studio to see something. I hope we don't have to end the live like yesterday because you guys are doing fantastic. All right. So let me see. I don't know. All right. I think I need to edit something right here. Are you hearing us? Please let us know if you are hearing us by sending us a message, please. Are you hearing us? Good night. Are you hearing us? Are you hearing us? I don't know what's going on tonight. Are you hearing us? Are you hearing us? All right, I think they are hearing us. It's just that nobody's writing in the chat. Are you hearing us? All right, I think they are hearing us. It's just that nobody's writing in the chat. Are you hearing us? All right, I think something is wrong with the chat, so I am unable. All right, so for all the persons who are here, so I am unable. All right, so for all the persons who are here tonight, we're so happy to have you. We are super, super happy to have you guys. And we're gonna start. So if you are hearing us, just send us a message so we can know. Just go into the chat and send us a message so we know that you can hear us. Please and thank you. If not, we have to end the live because we don't know if you are hearing us. So please do so and let us know. We're not seeing any messages coming in the chat. So we're going to end the live and start over. We're sorry for this. We're so sorry. But what we're going to do, we're going to end the live and we're going to start over. Because we're unable to see the chat from our end. We're not sure what is going on. All right. All right. Thank you so very much for replying. I am not seeing it, but what I have to do, I have to log in on a different device because I am unable to see the chat. Okay. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. I am so happy. So let us give shout out. Let us give shout out. All right. So in the chat here, we have James Brown. Thank you so very much, James Brown, for making it. Jaynae Gardens.
And sensational.
Also, we have Abina and Family Kitchen. Thank you so very much for coming, Abina. We're happy to have you. Thank you for making it. Jaynae Gardens.
And sensational. Channel.
Also, we have Abina saying, oh, thumbs up done. Thank you so very much for the lovely thumbs up. We also have Abina saying, greetings, Sister Sudani and Dynamic. Thank you so very much, Abina. Thank you for greeting. Also, we have Abina saying, beautiful Ocean Princess, how are you doing today? We are fine. Thank you, Abina, and thank you for asking. All right, but we're having a little challenge on our side because we're unable to read the chat. We're unable to see, so we have to log into a different device. All right. Also, we have Mark Wayne, and Mark Wayne is saying hi. Thank you for coming, Mark Wayne. Thank you for making it. Jaynae Gardens.
And sensational. Channel.
Also, we have
Jayna Hill Sutherland.
And Jayna Hill is also saying
hi.
Thank you, Jayna. Thank you for coming. Thank you for waiting, guys. You guys are fantastic. We also have Robinson, and Robinson is also saying hi. We also have Trisonia, and Trisonia is saying
hey.
And Jayna is saying Dijonae Garden. So she's calling out Dijonae, and I see Dijonae was welcoming you guys, and we're happy to have you still. We have Ariana Lee, and Ariana is saying hello. We have Denisha, and Denisha is saying we're waiting. We also have Marquin, and Marquin is saying hi, DG. All right, so we have meeting and greeting going on in the chat. And you guys, thank you for answering, but we were unable to see or hear because we're having issue on our hand. We also have Trisonia, and Trisonia is saying my cousin is in the US and she's on. Oh, that is so awesome. Thank you so very much for inviting others on over. Also, we have
Denisha.
We have Denisha, and Denisha is answering as well. We have Riri's World, and Riri is saying good night, thumbs up, and share out done. Thank you so very much for the lovely thumbs up and share out, and thank you for coming in, Riri's World. We also have Riri said, I am hearing you guys. I was not seen. I am using a different device now to read what you guys are saying to us. Also, we have Denisha, and Denisha said, guys, please don't leave. She's trying her best. Thank you so very much, Denisha. I'm trying my best. Tariq is saying, I'm hearing. Let's see who I am missing. And we have the Dennis Way, and the Dennis Way said, hello guys, I am in traffic, feel like I'm missing a lot, but I got to support the right way. You guys are awesome. And I have Sharida, and Sharida said, yes, I am. Oh my God, you guys are fantastic. And the Dennis Way said, hello everyone in the chat. We also have Mystic Sensation, and Mystic Sensation is saying, hello, us and everyone. We also have Sister Nisha, and she's saying, blessing and love D&D here in the ads. Just leaving work. And she's also sending some greetings to the chat. All right. Thank you so very much, guys, for the share out. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so very much for making it Dijonae, Jaynae Gardens.
Educational channel.
All right. And for the persons who are just coming in, today we are in our maths hour, and what we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be rounding off fraction. We're going to be rounding off numbers. Sorry, we're going to be rounding off numbers. And what I must say, I am apologizing for the delay. It is technical difficulties. All right. All right. So Dijonae gonna be reading the chat for me. Meanwhile, I try to work. I don't know we're gonna do this one, but we gotta do it, right? All right. Thank you so very much. So I'm gonna go over to my board now, and you can send your answers as usual. You can send your answers as usual, and I will read from the other device that I will be using. All right. So as I said before, thank you so very much for making it Dijonae, Jaynae Gardens.
Educational channel.
And we also have Mystic Sensation saying, come true like traffic. And Denisha is also saying, hello to Dennis Way. And Sister Nisha is also saying, like and share out. Thank you so very much for the like and the share out.
Thank you.
We also have Dennis Way saying, hello to Denisha and Sharida. And Mystic Sensation is also saying, hello to the Dennis Way. And the Dennis Way is also saying, hello to Trisonia.
And Sister Nisha.
All right. And Trisonia is also saying hello. All right. So we're going to go straight over to the board, and we're going to go straight at it now. All right. Thank you so very much for waiting. All right. All right. Get ready, get ready, get ready. We are going to be rounding off numbers. That is what we're going to be doing right now. We are going to be rounding off numbers. All right. You see these devices behaving like they want to fail us tonight. That's what is going on right here. It seems like they want to fail us tonight. But guess what? We're still working on it. We're still working. All right, so let me see. We're gonna take our first question, but before we go, this is the first thing I'm gonna show you. All right, just a minute. Let me put the board there. Good. All right. So this is it now. First, before we go into tonight's lesson, this is what I want you to look at. So here we have a number, right? This number is 374. All right? So this number is 374. When you look at this number 374, 374 as 3 digits. 374 as 3 digits. All right, because 374 as 3 digits, the digits are 3, 7, and 4. When we're rounding off numbers, it is good for us to know our place value. All right? We also need to know our digit. What place is each digit in? All right. So we have the 4, and the 4 is in the 1 place. We have the 7, and the 7 is in the 10th place. We have the 3, and the 3 is in the 100th place, right? So we have 3 digits here. All right. So now we know that there are 3 digits that are in the number 374. If you are told to round this number off to the nearest 10, right? Look carefully. Look carefully. You have to first identify the digit that is in the 10th place, which is a 7. If I say to you, round this digit off to the 100th place, you have to find the digit that is in the 100th place. So let's go into some examples now. Let's look at some examples. So this is 74. This is 74. All right. This is what we need to know. We need to know that if we're going to be rounding off a number to the nearest 10, you know that in this case, 7 is in the 10th place. 7 is in the 10th place. So we're going to highlight 10. We're going to highlight the digit that is in the 10th place, which is 7. All right. So the next thing we are going to look to see, the digit that is in the 1st place, if it is 0, 1, 2, or 4. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we know that it is weak. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it is strong. So if any of the strong numbers are seen in the 1st place, then you are going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. If the digit that is in the 1st place is weak, you leave the digit that is in the 10th place as it is. All right. And then you add 0 for the digit that is in the 1st place. All right, look at this. So now we have 7 that we are rounding off to the nearest 10, right? All right. We realize that 1 is in the 1st position. We have 4. We have numeral 4 in the 1st place. Because 4 is weak, we're going to use 0 to represent And then we are going to leave this 7 as it is. So to round off 74 to the nearest 10, your answer is going to be 70. Your answer is going to be 70. All right. Also, let us do another one. Let us do another one. All right. We have 33. We have 33, and I see where Ariana Lee is sending answers up. All right, and we can also see Denisha sending answers up. We are rounding off to the nearest 10. We are rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. So let me see which digit is in the 10th place. So we have 3 that is in the 10th place. I underline the 3 that is in the 10th place. All right, first you need to look to see if the digit that is in the 1st place, if it is weak or if it is strong. Remember I say if it is weak, it is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. If it is strong, it is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So if we are going to round off 33 to the nearest 10, what is it that we are going to do? 3 is weak, so therefore we are going to leave the digit that is in the 10th place as it is. So we're going to write back 3, and then we're going to add 0. All right, if you are understanding what I'm saying so far, please to let us know. And Ariana Lee said 30, and you are correct, Ariana Lee. All right, so let's take another one. We are rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. All right, let's do another one. We have 37, and we have 37 that we are rounding off to the nearest 10. Which digit is in the 10th place? We have numeral 3 that is in the 10th place, and we have 7 in the 1st place. So the first thing we are going to do to look to see if 7 is strong or if it is weak. 7 is strong, right? So what we're going to do, because 7 is strong, you are going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. So I'm going to do a +1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. So 3 plus 1, you are going to get 4. And then for the digit that is in the 1st place, you are going to use 0 to replace it. So to round off 37 to the nearest 10, you will get 40. Are you understanding what I'm doing so far? If you understand what I'm doing so far, say, yes, I understand what you are doing so far. Again, I must apologize for the persons who have to leave, and we also apologize for coming on late. It is because we were having some issue with our chat, and we were trying to rectify it before we come on in. All right. And thank you again for the share out. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for all the wonderful persons that are here with us, inside and outside. All right. And Ariana Lee said, yes, I do understand. You are fantastic, Ariana. Thank you for replying to what I'm asking. All right. So we have another number, and the number that we have right there is, look at what I'm going to give you now. I have 32. So that is 32. And we are rounding off to the nearest 10. So now we have to look to see the digit that is in the 10th place with it, which is 3. 3 is in the 10th place. So now the digit that is in the 1st place is 2. So 2 is in the weak group. All right? So because 2 is in the weak group, I'm going to be replacing it with a 0. And we're not going to add anything to the digit that is in the 10th place. We're going to let it remain. It's going to stay as is. So we write back 3. So 32 round off to the nearest 10 is going to be 30. So it is going to be 30. And you guys are doing a fantastic job. I see this Denisha and Ariana. You guys are fantastic. Also, we have another question coming now. We have 68. We have 68. And we're rounding off to the nearest 10. So 68 round off to the nearest 10. First, you are going to identify the digit that is in the 10th place, which is 6. Then the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to make sure that the digit that is in the 1st place, you are going to make sure that you identify it to see if it is weak or if it is strong. If it is weak, you let the digit in the 10th place remain, but if it is strong, you add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. All right, so because it is in the strong group, I am going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. All right, so 6 plus 1, you're going to get 7, and 8 is going to be replaced with 0. So 68 round off to the nearest 10 is 70. All right, you guys are doing fantastic. I see where Ariana said 70. Yes, Ariana, you are so correct. And Roger is saying miss. Good night, Roger. How are you doing? Thank you so very much for the 7 million persons that are watching. We're so happy to have you. Thank you for making it Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. All right. So also, let's see. All right, we're going to take another one. Look at this one now. We have 99. We have 99. All right, we are rounding off to the nearest 10. If we have 99 and we are rounding off to the nearest 10, now we have to highlight the digit that is in the 10th place. So that 9 that I underline is in the 10th place. Let's see the digit that is in the 1st place now. Let's look at it now to see if it is strong or if it is weak. So the digit that is in the 1st place is, of course, in the strong group. So what we have to do is to add 1 to the digit in the 10th place, right? All right, so 9 plus 1, we get 10. And we are going to replace this 9 with a 0. And you guys are doing fantastic. I see Dennis Way, I see Ariana Lee, and I see Denisha. You guys are doing fantastic. I see your answers in the chat. Of course, mega love shout out to all the 11 persons that are here with us tonight. You guys are doing fantastic. For the persons who are in the chat, for the ones on the outside, thank you so very much for making it Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon educational channel. All right. So we are going to do some more right here. All right. So now we have 95. We have 95 and we are rounding off to the nearest 10. All right. The 9 is in the 10th place. The 5 is in the 1st place. All right. So first, we need to look to see if the 5 is weak or if it is strong. So 5 is in the strong group. So because 5 is in the strong group, what we're going to do is that we're going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th column, right? So 9 plus 1, we get 10. And we're going to replace the 5 with a 0. And for the persons who write 100, you guys are doing a fantastic job. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I see Ariana said 90. Ariana, remember now that 5 is strong. And because 5 is strong, we are going to add 1 to 9. The 9 is in the 10th place. All right. We also see Denisha saying 90. All right. So we have 5 in the 1st place and 5 is strong. So because 5 is strong, we are going to add 1 to the 9, which is in the 10th place. And 9 plus 1, we get 10. And the 5, we're going to replace it with 0. All right, let's do one more. If you're understanding what I'm doing, say understanding in the chat. All right. We also have 58. That is 58. All right, look carefully. We have 58. All right, we are rounding off to the nearest 10. So because we are rounding off to the nearest 10, what we're going to do is that we are going to make sure that we highlight the digit that is in the 10th place, which is 5. So 5 is in the 10th place. Now we have to look to see the digit in the 1st place, if it is weak or if it is strong. All right. Thank you so very much, Denisha, for answering. So 8 is strong. So because 8 is strong, you're going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. All right. So 5 plus 1, you have 6. And we are going to replace the 8 with 0. So now 58 round off to the nearest 10, you are going to get 60. And 58 is closer to 60. All right. And Sharida is saying, yes, miss. Thank you so very much, Sharida, for coming. Thank you for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gardens.
Educational.
Channel. All right, you guys are fantastic. You guys are doing fantastic. If you like what you are seeing, if you like what we're doing, feel free to give us a thumbs up and to share us out. Call a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over. We are in math hour, right? And we are doing rounding off of numbers. All right, so we're going to take 2 more and then we are going to go right over into rounding off 100 to the nearest 100, right? We are going to do another one. And we have Young right here. And Young is saying, I miss. Welcome, Young. Thank you for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gardens.
Educational.
Channel. All right, Young, you are doing a fantastic job. Thank you very much for coming. So we have 61. We have 61. And because we have 61, we have to look for the digit that is in the 10th place. The digit that is in the 10th place is 6. So now we have to look in the 1st place to see the digit that is there. So in the 1st place, we have numeral 1. So numeral 1 is from the weak group. So because it is from the weak group, we are going to do is that we're gonna leave the digit that is in the 10th place. We're not going to add anything to it. So it's gonna remain as 6, and the 1 we're going to replace it with a 0. All right, we're going to replace it with a 0. For all the 11 million persons that are watching us tonight on Dijonae Jaynae Gordon's educational channel, we are so happy to have you all. Thank you so very much for coming. Also, we have More of Me Lifestyle, and More of Me Lifestyle said 60. So we have Dennis Faye, Ariana Lee, Young and More of Me Lifestyle saying 60. And Sharita is saying, I understand. Thank you so very much, Sharita, for answering. And you guys are doing a fantastic job. Mega love shout out to all of you. All right, so we're going to take another one. You guys are fantastic. And Dennis Way said, it done. We're not finished as yet. We have Denisha, and Denisha saying 60. All right. So we have 40. We have 44 right there. And 44 is a 2-digit number. We are going to highlight the digit that is in the 10th place, because we're running off digits that are in the 10th place. All right. So now we are going to make sure that we look to see if the digit that is in the 1st place, if it is weak or if it is strong. All right. This 4 is weak. Remember, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it is weak. And if it is weak, you let the digit that is in the 10th place remain as is. So right back the 4, then you're going to replace the digit that is in the 1st place with a 0. So 44 round off to the nearest 10 is going to give you 40. And I see where Dennis Way, Ariana, and Denisha, More of Me Lifestyle, and Young said 40. All right, so it is Miss Smith or Mr. Smith. Oh, so it is Kira. All right, so Kira is saying it is Kira. All right, Kira, thank you for making it Dijonae Jaynae Gordon's channel. All right, so let me give you one more of running off to the nearest 10, then we'll go to running off to the nearest 100. All right, so we're going to have 80. So we have 80. We have 80, and we are rounding off to the nearest 10. All right, 8 is in the 10th place. 8 is in the 10th place. And because 8 is in the 10th place, this is how we do it. All right, this is how we do it. So now we are going to look to see the digit that is in the 1st place. So is it strong? Is it weak? It is weak. So we are going to leave the digit that is in the 10th place. So it's going to remain as 8. And this 0, we're going to use a 0 to replace it. All right. So 80 remains 80. All right. And I see where Dennis Wave, More of Me Lifestyle, and Kendra is saying 80. And also we have Ariana Lee saying 90. Ariana, look again, man. And we have the famous Dolly in the house, and she is here, good supporter. Yes, we have a lot of great content creators inside the chat. And we have Dolly saying, hey, Dijonae. And she's saying, hey, Dijonae, sweetie. All right. And also she's saying blessing everyone in the chat. She's sending blessing to all the persons that are in the chat. And she's also saying thumbs up and share out. Done. Thank you so very much for the lovely thumbs up. Thank you for the share out. We have Dennis Way in the chat, and he's also a great content creator. And you see, we have all these great content creators inside the chat. As they come up, I'm going to call them out for you guys. And you guys can go check them out. Yes. And then say hello to Dolly. And you guys are doing a fantastic job. You guys are awesome. All right. So, all right, let's see. All right. So we are going to be moving on now to rounding off in the 100th place now. All right. Or if you need one more, you can let me know. If you need one more, let me know. So I can give you one more. Or tell me if I need to move over to the 100th place now. All right. Can I have one more? Ariana Lee said one more. All right. I'm going to give you one more. You see, I'm very obedient, you know that, right? So we have 58. And 58 is a 2-digit number, right? So we are rounding off to the nearest 10. Look for the digit that is in the 10th place. And we have 5 that is in the 10th place. All right. Look for the digit that is in the 1st place. The digit that is in the 1st place is 8. The digit that is in the 1st place is 8. All right. Now you need to look to see if 8 is strong or if it is weak. We know that if the digit that is in the 1st place, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, they are strong. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it is weak. So because 8 is strong, you are going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 10th place. So 5 plus 1, you are going to get 6. Then you are going to replace this 8 with 0. All right, so you are going to get 60. And we have Ariana Lee, Dennis Way, More of Me Lifestyle, Mystic Sensation, and Denisha saying 60. And you guys are doing a fantastic job. And we have In the Life of Dolly is saying, you are welcome, sweetie. And also In the Life of Dolly is saying, you became what, sweetie, at Denise. All right. And Roger is saying, Miss Roger, I can hear you. Tell me what you are telling me. All right. So we're going to go over now to rounding off numbers that are in the 100th place. All right. So now I'm going to be giving you the first one. So then I have 753. So we have 753, 753, and this is a 3-digit number, right? So to round off the digit that is in the 100th place, we know that 7 is in the 100th place, 5 is in the 10th place, and 3 is in the 1st place. So to round off the number that is in the 100th place, you have to identify it first. So I'm going to put it in a little box, right? Which is 7. All right. So here we have 7 that is in the 100th place. The next thing we are going to do, remember when we were rounding off numbers to the nearest 10, we look at the digit that was in the 1st place. Now, because we are rounding off numbers to the nearest 100, you have to look at the digit that is in the 10th place. All right? So we're rounding off to the nearest 100 now. So you have to look at the digit that is in the 10th place. All right? So this is how we're going to do it now. You have to look to see if the digit that is in the 10th place, if it is weak or if it is strong. All right, so 5 is in the strong group. So because 5 is in the strong group, this is what you are going to do. You are going to add 1 to 7, and you are going to get 8. You are going to replace 5 with a 0, and you are also going to replace 3 with a 0. So you are going to get 800. Are you understanding? All right. So let me see what's going on in the chat. So we have in the life of Dolly said, Dennis Swift. What were you saying on? And in the life of Dolly is saying hello to Mystic. We have Natty Slim and Natty Slim, more of me lifestyle. And we have Ariana. We also have Mystic Sensation saying 800, and you guys are doing a fantastic job. Natty Slim is saying, hi, host and everyone. Thank you, Natty Slim, for making it Dijonae Jaynae Garden Educational Channel. Thank you so very much for coming. And also, Mystic Sensation is saying, Natty Blessing. And we also have Natty saying, thanks, Mystic, and same to you. And Roger is saying, Miss. Ariana is saying, yes. Yes, Miss. All right, more of me lifestyle is saying, yes, Miss. And Kendra is saying, strong. And Dennis Way is saying, hello to Mystic. And we have Kendra saying, yes, Miss. And Natty Slim is also saying, you're welcome. Thank you so very much for all the persons who are on the inside or on the outside. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the share out. You guys are doing a fantastic job. All right, if you are just coming over, we are rounding off numbers, and we're at rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. All right, if you are inside here and you like what we're doing, feel free to give us a thumbs up and to share us out if you can. You guys are fantastic. All right, so we are going to be doing another question. So we're going to take 308. 308. And 308, we're finding the number that is in the 100 place, which is numeral 3. All right. So now we have to look to see if the digit that is in the 10th place, if it is weak or if it is strong. All right. Look to see if it is weak or if it is strong. All right. So 0 is in the weak group. So because 0 is in the weak group, what you are going to do is that you are going to leave the digit that is in the 100 place as it is. So the 3 going to remain 3, and then we are going to use 0 to replace this 0 and 0 to replace this 8. So 308 when round off to the nearest 100, you are going to get 300. All right, so let me see who are the persons in the chat now. And we have Sister Sidonie, and she's saying hello to the Dennis Way. The Dennis Way is also saying hello to her. And she's saying that I'm in traffic. And Sister Sidonie is saying I to not sleep. And the Dennis Way is also saying 300. More of me saying 300. And the Natasim is saying take care. Sidonie, you guys are so fantastic. And Natasim is saying 300. Mystic is saying 300. And Sidonie is saying hi to Mystic Sensation, and she's sending you love. Also, we have Denisha and Ariana saying 300, and Roger is saying weak. And Mystic is sending some love to you or some hugs to you, Sidonie. And we have Kendra saying weak, and Kendra said 300. You guys are fantastic. We have Trisonia, and Trisonia is saying 300. All right, you guys are doing a fantastic job. All right, let's do some more right now. All right, so we're going to take another one. We have 3, 6, 8. So that's 368. So we have 368. 368, rounding off to the nearest 100. All right. 3 is in the 100 place. Is it 100? Is it 200? Is it 400? Is it 500? What is it gonna be? So 3 is in the 100 place. We have 6 in the 10th place. Because we are rounding off to the nearest 100, we must look at the digit that is in the 10th place. So look to see if it is strong or if it is weak. So it is numeral 6. So it is strong. So because it is strong, you're going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 100 place, right? The 100 place. All right. So 3 plus 1, you are going to get 4. We're going to use 0 to replace the digit that is in the 10th place, and 0 to represent the digit that is in the 1st place. So I see 400 coming up from more of me. Natty is saying 400. Denisha is saying 400. Mystic is saying 400. Dennis is saying 400. Ariana is saying 400. Trisonia is saying 400. And Kendra is saying 400. You guys are doing a fantastic job. You guys are fantastic. All right, keep up the great work. You guys are doing so well. All right, so we have this one now, and this one is 954. 954. So we have 954. All right, so let's see. Let us see. We are rounding off to the nearest 100. And I see in the chat where more of me is saying 1,000, then it's saying 1,000, that is saying 1,000, and then it's saying 1,000. So let's see if it is 1,000. So many persons could never be so wrong. All right, so we have 9 in the 100th place. We have 5 in the 10th place. We have 4 in the 1st place. All right, so let's see now. We have to look now to see if the digit that is in the 10th place, if it is weak or if it is strong. So here we realize that 5 is strong, so we're going to add 1. So the digit that is in the 100th place. So 9 plus 1, we get 10. So now we're going to replace this 5 with 0 and the 4 with 0. And of course, we get 1,000. So we have more of me, Dennis, Natty, Denisha, Roger. Remember, you have to check over. Roger, check again, man. You're typing fast. Ariana saying 1,000. Kendra and Tristonia saying 1,000. And you guys are correct. You are doing a fantastic job. And I must say, mega love shout out to all the 11 million persons who are on tonight. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the share out. Thank you for coming and thank you for participating. All right, let's go again. So it doesn't matter which place they ask you to round off to. If you know the rule, just look to see the digit that comes after, if it is weak or if it is strong. All right, that is what you are to do. To look to see if it is weak or if it is strong. You guys are doing a fantastic job. You guys are awesome. All right, so let's look again. All right. So Kendra said strong, 1,000, yay. Anisha said, yay, you guys are bright, yay, you guys are doing fantastic, yay. All right, so we have 623. We have 620. Because you are rounding off to the nearest 100, this is how you do it. First, you have to identify. Are you hearing me? I hope you are hearing me clearly. Are you hearing me? All right, so now we are going to be now check to see. Okay, thank you so very much. Okay, because I saw that message, I think you were not hearing me. All right, so what we're going to do now is that we are going to be rounding off. So now we're going to make sure that the digit that is in the 10th place, we're going to make sure that this digit is either weak or strong. Let us check to see which one it is. So 2 is weak. So 2 is weak. So we don't do anything to the digit that is in the 100th place. We leave it as it is. So we're going to leave 6 and then we're going to use 0 to replace this 2. And we are going to add 0. All right, so we're going to do 3 more and then that is going to be it for tonight in our math hour. So you guys are doing fantastic. I see where Dennis is saying, Aaron, Ariana is saying, yes, yes. Sidoni is saying, I'm out of traffic. Thank you so very much, Sister Sidoni, for making it Dijonae, Jaynae Gardens, educational channel. And the Dennis way is saying it was out for a few seconds. Okay, thank you so very much, the Dennis way. And Roger is saying something right there. I'm hearing now. Okay, more of me lifestyle. And Kendra is saying Yes, Miss Trisonia is saying 700. Check again, Trisonia. This one is not 700, it is 600. And Sister Sidonie is saying, I, Dijonae, and Deborah. Hello, Sister Sidonie. And Kendra is saying, we. Thank you all. Thank you for the 12 million persons that are here tonight. For the persons who are on the outside, for the persons who are in the chat, for the persons who were here earlier. Thank you so very much for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. Channel. All right. So we're going to be taking two more. So we have 388. So we have 388. And we are rounding off to the nearest 100. Identify the digit that is in the 100th place, which is 3. All right? So 3 is in the 100th place. And because 3 is in the 100th place, the next thing we are going to do is that we are now going to check to see if the digit that comes after, if it is weak or if it is strong. All right? So 8 is after and 8 is strong. And because 8 is strong, you are going to add 1 to the digit that is in the 100th place. So 3 plus 1, you are going to get 4. You are going to replace this 8 with a 0 and this 8 with a 0. So your answer is going to be 400. And for the persons who said 400, you guys are doing a fantastic job. All right, so I can see where Ariana Lee said, 1 more, please wait, 2 more. So Dennis said 400. More of me said 400. Ariana said 400. Nathan said 400. Denisha said 400. And Charita said 400. You guys are awesome. You guys are doing a fantastic job. So I must say you guys are doing a fantastic job. All right. So Ariana said, don't go. 1 more, 2 more. All right. 1 more, Ariana. So, all right, we're gonna be Ariana, you see the device is giving problem and we can't see anything. So we have to be using more than the amount of device that we normally use. All right. So, all right. Send the answer quickly. Tell us the answer. All right. Waiting on you. We're waiting for you to send us your answer. You guys are fantastic. You guys are smart. All right. So I can see where Natty said 900. Denisha said, Roger, why? No more miss. Roger said, no more miss. Come on, Roger. Don't give up so quick, man. Sure. Come on, man. Come on, Roger. Come on, Roger. Don't give up so quick. Don't give up so quick, Roger. All right. Try. So we have Kara, we have Ariana said 1 more. Mystic Sensation said 900. Ariana said 900. All right, so let's check if you guys are correct. All right, so I have where 8 is in there. 8 is in the 100th place. 7 is in the 1st place. All right, 7 is from the strong group. So we're gonna add 1 to 8. And when you add 1 to 8, you get 9. And we are going to replace this 7 with 0 and this 5 with 0. So your answer should be 900. All right. Thank you so very much. You guys are fantastic. And then Isha said 6 more. And Kira said 2 more, Miss Stewart. I'm telling you, you guys are so, so, so sweet. You guys are super, super fantastic. You guys are making my night, but my device is not doing all good. So good. All right. All right, all right, all right. So let me log in with this device in case this one give up on me. All right. So let me tell you, this device not going on so good tonight. It is not even charging. So we nearly missed much hour tonight. So Roger says 0 more. Ariana Lee said, I am Ariana's sister. Oh, so we have a next please saying I am Ariana's sister. Okay, welcome Ariana's sister. Thank you for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon,
And
Chana, and Dennis Twayson. Hello, Kara. We have Denisha saying 6 more. Wait. 10 more. And Kara is saying hello. Dennis Tway. And let's take another one. You guys are so fantastic. So we have 625, and we are rounding off to the nearest 100. All right, we are rounding off to the nearest 100, and this is the digit that is in the 100th place. 6, and then we have to look now at the digit that is in the 10th place. So the digit that is in the 10th place is 2. So we know that 2 is weak. So we're going to leave the digit that is in the 100th place as it is. So we're going to write back 6. We're going to use 0 to replace the 2 and 0 to replace the 5. And here we have some answers going up in the chat, and more of me said 600. Kira said 700. Wait, Kira, wait a while. Now to send 600, and Roger says 0 more. I can see Roger's face right now. Denisha said 700. Chisona said 700. And Ariana said 600. And Lee said, I am Ebony Lee. All right, Ebony. Welcome to Dijonae's educational channel. You guys are fantastic. And Young said 700. That's Kendra. Come on, man. So I have to do a next one. Can you see? I don't think you guys are getting this one. I have to go slow now. So I have 762. All right, 762. And that is laughing at me because she said, no, stop. She said, one more and she done. And my battery is down at 3%. It's not charging and it's plugged in. It is going down. I'm telling you, something is going on wrong tonight, but we are in math hour and we are having a great time. All right, some people say 800. Wait. All right, so listen for the persons who are having challenges. First, we are rounding off to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. All right. Let me give you my place value right here now. So I have 100, 10s, and 1. All right. So we are rounding off the digit that is in there. 100th place, and that is our 7. All right. So 7 is in the 100th place. And now we have to look at the digit that is in the 10th place, which is 6. So when you find the digit that is in the 10th place, you have to ask yourself if it is strong or if it is weak. So if it is strong, it is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. If it is weak, it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So because 6 is strong, we are going to add 1 to 7, and we are going to get 8, and then we're going to add 0, 0 to replace 6 and 2. So that is how we get 800. So when 762 is round off to the nearest 100, you get 800. 762 is closer to 800 than 700. All right, let's do another one quickly before the battery goes dead. All right, and I see where Natty, come on, Young said 600, and Miss Lifestyle said 100, and we have Leonie saying I to Jordan, and we have Kira saying 800, Mystic saying 800. Trusonia said 3 more. I'm loving it over here. And Denisha is saying 800. Ariana Lee is saying 800. And we have the next Lee is saying 800. And Denisha is saying, I know, right? And we have Lifestyle is saying, I want rounding off to the nearest 1,000 after you do 6 more. You guys are so fantastic. The Dennis Way is saying 800, and Tristonia is saying 800, and Young is saying 800, and Ebanili is saying 800, and Roger is saying 800. So Roger finally make up his mind and saying something. All right. So to all the 11,000 people that are watching us from afar, we are happy to have you guys over here on Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. You guys are fantastic. We are happy to have you in our math hour. Every Thursday, starting at 6, we have math hour. On a Friday, we have read aloud. Friday, and on a Tuesday, we have vocabulary building. On a Wednesday, we have games night. Over here, we say education is the most powerful that you are watching Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. All right. So we have 2 minutes on the board because guess what? The battery is saying I am going to come off anytime now. So before we go, all right. Ebony, yes, Ebony. And we have Kendra, and Kendra said, I go to your school. Oh, you guys are so fantastic. And Dennis Way is saying, hello, Lee, which is Ebony Lee. He's calling to Ebony Lee. All right. So we have 9 million persons watching. Let's see who's going to get this one. 3740. So that's a big number. That is 3,740. And we are rounding off to the nearest 1,000. All right, let's see who's gonna get this one. I know somebody's gonna be mad at me. Tristonia said 100, and what if a zero behind it? More. And Tristonia, Ariana Lee said, are you going to cake? Say, all right, tomorrow at school. Dijonae said, Dijonae told me about it. Ariana Lee. And also Denisha said, I want to do a lot more. It is fun right here. You guys are fantastic. And more is saying 4,000. Roger said 4,000. So Roger, don't bother give up again. You know, you see, oh, Roger is there. All right. And we have Denisha saying 4,000. We have Sharita saying 4,000. Ariana Lee saying 4,000. Kira is saying 4,000. Trusonia is saying 4,000. And we have Kendra saying, me too. You guys are fantastic. I'm loving my hour tonight. I'm just so sorry. The device is going down instead of going up with the charger plugged in. And 3, of course, is in the 1,000 place. And 7 is in the 100 place. Same concept. You have to look at the digit that is after, right? So look now, it is 7. And 7 is strong. So you add 1 to 3 and you get 4. And you replace the other digit with 0. And of course, you're going to get 4,000. You guys are bright. You guys are bright. All right, one more, and that's going to be it. because the battery is at 1%. I'm telling you, math hour is fun. I'm loving it. I am loving it over here on math hour. You guys are fantastic. You guys are smart. And we have 2,476. And guess what? Let's do it together. So we have 2 in that place. So what's going on right here? So it goes right off. You guys are doing fantastic. Are you hearing me? If oh my God. You see, I end up doing that one. I just see that Tariq is saying not hearing, and Kara is saying it's back. Yay! For never stop. You guys are fantastic. Why is it silent? So, are you hearing me now? All right. Thank you so very much. Why you guys were not hearing it is because the other device went dead and I have to try to log into another one. So that was the problem. Okay. You guys are doing fantastic. Thank you so very much. You guys are doing a fantastic job. All right. So let you see Dijonae. I'm gonna be turning over to Miss Dijonae for you all to say hello to her and for her to say hello to you all. You guys are fantastic. You did a great job tonight. Yes, they did a great job. All right. So you see, this device choose to give us some problem tonight. All right. All right. So I'm trying to get the other device up. I'm trying to get the other device up, people. So righty. All right, so let me see now. So we have to be using two devices because as you were told earlier that we cannot see the chat. So as you were told earlier that we are having problem on our end and I cannot see the chat. So we have Kira said it's back. Yay, fun time. Yay. And for the persons who said 2000, you guys did a fantastic job. And yes, Erin, all right. Finally, Didi face, I miss her. So here is Didi. Here is Didi. She's right here. All right, so that was Denisha saying finally he can see Didi face. And Roger is saying I Dijonae. And we have West over here, Jaden West. Thank you for coming, Jaden. Thank you for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. And if you are here for the first time, thank you so very much for coming. For the persons on the outside, you are always welcome over here. Let me see. And Jaden is saying good night. And we have Dijonae saying not hearing. I hope you are hearing me now. I'm hearing now. Okay. Thank you so very much. And Kira said, oh, so this is Matthew saying hello. Hi, Matthew.
Hi, Matthew.
Thank you for making it Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. And also we have
Anisha.
She said hearing now. And Dijonae saying hi, DG.
Hi.
And also we have Kara, and Kara said goodbye, have a good night. You guys are fantastic. Remember that tomorrow is work, tomorrow is school. So you guys have to go get some rest. Meet us here at 6 tomorrow for the fun time where you guys gonna be reading and sharing. I hope we don't have any problem tomorrow.
Yep.
So we can start on time.
Fingers crossed.
All right, because from yesterday we don't know what's going on. We don't know what's going on. But indeed, we're still having a great one. All right, Kira, we understand. We understand.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so very much for coming. Thank you for the share out. Thank you for the thumbs up. Before you go, if you don't give us a thumbs up as yet, please to give us a thumbs up. Please to give us a thumbs up. All right. So all you have to do is to come out, press the X and come out of the chat. And then you're going to see the thumbs up or the like button. You give us a thumbs up if you like what we are doing over here. And for the persons on the outside, we're happy to have you. Thank you for coming and thank you for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon. And Trisonia said,
Bye.
bye. You guys are fantastic. You help us to have a wonderful night tonight. All right. Also, we have, let me see who else. We have Kara saying, bye, love you. Oh, you guys are so fantastic. And Denisha is saying,
Gigi is so pretty. I miss that face. I can't sleep. What I do to sleep is look at her face. Ah!
Denisha, you're so much now, you know. You see that? You see Dijonae, she's so much. You see her? You're having her right here, blushing, Denisha. All right. So thank you so very much. You guys are fantastic. We are going to go now. Thank you for all the persons who come on over to support us. We are happy you were able to do so. You guys are fantastic. We love you. Have yourself a great night. Love you. Peace out. And we say,
What would?
what good? Yeah. So have yourself a blessed one. We love you so much. Remember that God loves you best. And he said, seek me, seek me first, and all of those gonna be added unto you, right? So have yourself a good night.
Until next time, it's Baby Dijonae and Adult Liberty. We're out.
We're out.
We're out.
We love you so much. Bye.
Bye.